The fascinating world of sloths. Sloths, Folivora, are one of the slowest and most unique mammals on Earth, known for their laid-back lifestyle and exceptional adaptations for survival. Found in the rainforests of Central and South America, these tree-dwelling creatures spend most of their lives hanging upside down in the canopy, moving at an incredibly slow pace to conserve energy. One of the most interesting facts about sloths is their slow metabolism, which allows them to survive on a diet consisting mainly of leaves. These leaves provide little nutrition, so sloths take up to a month to digest a single meal. Their slow movement helps them avoid predators such as jaguars and eagles by blending into the trees. Additionally, their fur hosts algae, which gives them a greenish tint and provides natural camouflage. Another fascinating trait is that sloths only descend from trees about once a week to relieve themselves. This behavior is risky, as they become vulnerable to predators on the ground. However, this ritual helps fertilize the trees they live in, creating a symbiotic relationship with their environment. Despite their slow nature, sloths are excellent swimmers and can hold their breath underwater for up to 40 minutes. Their unique lifestyle makes them one of the most extraordinary animals in the rainforest.